Hi, I'm Pattu from freefincal. Today, let's talk about why there is more to retirement planning than building a large corpus. Now, over the years, um, my attitude towards retirement planning has completely changed. I've been building retirement calculators for more than 10 years now, and I've been investing for retirement for around about the same time. And when I started out, I thought I could beat inflation after retirement. I don't need a pension and so on. Then I realized the importance of a pension or of income flooring as one component of the retirement portfolio, not as the component of the retirement portfolio, but as a major uh, component, but as one component. There are other equally important components as well. For example, like passive income, dividend from stocks. You can see that I have taken steps to improve upon these areas, and of course the bucket strategy. I've talked about that. I have created even a bucket strategy simulator, which is like a game for finding out how long the corpus would last and so on. And I have tried to answer when should a person take risk after retirement and when they should not take risk and just buy a pension and so on. So there's several aspects of retirement calculation, and all the technical aspects, the analytical aspects, I have gone through most of them, if not all. And one of the key realizations that has dawned upon me as I went through all this is that there's more to retirement planning than just a large corpus, because for most of us, we are not going to get that 7 crores or 8 crores or 5 crores retirement corpus before we reach 50. So we'll be above 50 by the time we get even close to it. If at all we are going to get there or close to it, it will take that much time. So by that time, because of our lifestyle and the kind of job pressures that we have, our health will not be the same. We will have some kind of lifestyle condition where our life will not, I mean, we will, our dependence on others could increase quite dramatically as we age. And because of that, the kind of relationships that we have had with these people in the past makes a big difference. For example, our children, did we try to be good parents to them? Did we accommodate their wishes and respect their dreams, or did we try to put them under our thumb and ask them to do what we wanted to do? All these will matter when it comes to them taking care of us, and that's an inevitability. That's going to happen at some point or the other. It's not important you have money, because if you are not able to access all that money personally and somebody has to do it for you, then that's where all the relationships matter. The relationship with the spouse also matters, how we have been treating them and so on. Our children will get married, and then they will get then how we are going to treat the daughter-in-law or the son-in-law. All these will make a difference to how we are going to live in retirement. So we have to invest in relationships as well as money. Money is very important. There's no doubt about it. Without money, very few people will respect it. Respect us. That's not what I'm trying to say here. Money is very important, but equally important is having relationships, good relationships with people, because they are the ones who will have to prop us up in case we need them. One of the most remarkable movies I've seen is the Christmas favorite called It's a Wonderful Life, released in 1946. It talks about a building and loan company owner who gets into too much debt, and how the community comes and helps the family. He is about to commit suicide for the insurance money, but the community comes and rescues them, saying, "You have helped us all through your life, and this is now our time to give back." That's a extraordinary movie. It had a tremendous impact on that, and that told me that relationships are very important, and maybe even more important than money. So that's what I wanted to say by saying that there's more to retirement planning than building a large corpus. Bye bye.